Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 11 PC. All right, let's begin. First, on your Windows 11 PC, open the Control Center from the bottom right and enable Hotspot. Now head over to your iPhone and then connect your iPhone to this Wi Fi network. Once connected, open Command Prompt from the Start menu, type ipconfig, and note the IPv4 address. Now on your iPhone, open the Files app, tap the three dots, and select Connect to Server. Enter the IPv4 address and connect as guest. Next, on your PC, create a new folder on the desktop and name it Photos iPhone. Right-click the folder, open Properties, go to Sharing, add guest, enable read and write, then allow full control in advanced sharing. On your iPhone, open Photos, select the images, tap Share, choose Save to Files, and select the shared desktop folder. So that's basically how you can transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 11 PC. And that's it for this video. Thanks.